Hi everyone, this is 6 Storm Team meteorologist Ken Weathers with your forecast update here on this Sunday. Wind and wet weather, those are the two biggest stories out there for today. And we're going to see plenty of both, it looks like. Can't rule out some rumbles of thunder across the area, but I'm not expecting severe weather. My biggest concerns will be winds for the foothills and mountain areas where a high wind warning has been issued. More on that in a minute. Once this system moves through, we will see some cooler air finally start to filter back in. Moisture continues to surge from the south and push northeast as an area of low pressure kind of cruising right along the Gulf Coast. That's going to lift northward as we go through the day and increase the rain opportunities area-wide. So some spotty showers by lunchtime with increasing opportunities through the afternoon into the evening. Some of this rainfall could be heavy, and again, watch out for some gusty winds as well. The opportunities will continue into tonight as well, and some areas could pick up some heavier downpours, but I'm not expecting any flash flooding at this point. That steadier rainfall, notice, stays on the other side of the mountains there in the Carolinas, where we could see some 1 to 3 inch rain totals for many locations. So just be careful if you're traveling I-40 to the east today. As I mentioned, the wind, kind of the bigger story here. Notice by lunchtime, not too bad across the valley, still relatively light. But that's not the case for higher elevation areas of the plateau and especially the mountains. And the mountains will see very strong winds through the afternoon. These areas in red are winds to gust over 50 miles per hour. But even notice by 3 o'clock, not bad across much of the valley. That changes just past sunset, though. The winds really start to increase as those levels of the winds get lower, closer to the valley locations. The winds will stay brisk, though, in the mountains all the way through the evening hours. Notice we're seeing some winds gusting 30, maybe even 40 miles per hour for some locations here in the valley as well. So at this point, there are no advisories. It wouldn't surprise me, though, if throughout the day we see advisories issued for the valley back towards the plateau in the form of maybe a wind advisory. Just stay with WATE.com/weather alerts. One word. WATE.com/weather alerts. One word there. And that'll give you the latest information if any advisories are issued. But of course, you can always download our free 6 Storm Team app as well for your smartphone. If you have an iPhone, go to the iTunes store. If you have an Android, go to Google Play and just search Knoxville Weather. All right, here's kind of as we go through the day today, increasing opportunities for rain, but also I wanted to point out, notice these temperatures not really changing. In fact, as our wind increases after sunset, we're going to stay pretty steady in the mid to upper 50s for most of the overnight hours. I'm only going for a low on 55 to start the day on Monday, and that means temperatures will climb in the low to mid 60s until that cold front comes through, say early afternoon, and then some cooler air filters in behind it. Not overly concerned with this system in here on Wednesday. The bulk of the moisture looks like it's over the mountains, Carolinas area. But if you are traveling east, Wednesday's a huge travel day, as you know, so it looks like much of the Carolinas and Mid-Atlantic could be a slow go. You want to stay with us for updates on that. And right now, your Thanksgiving Day looks pretty good. I'm not sure if that turkey's doing the chicken dance or not, but going to be a cold turkey, I guess you could say, coming up for Thanksgiving. All right, all latest forecast details always at WATE.com. And please check me out on social media, Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. Hope you have a great Sunday.